love the 2018 Charger. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, sports suspension, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, passenger vanity mirror, power driver seat, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob, tilt steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.